Alright, first thing you want to do to your ribs, always do this, people. Take you a napkin, and you want to pull that membrane off the best you can. And if you don't pull it off, this gets thick. Another thing, membrane? Right there, the back of the rib. You can also score in between them to separate the ribs if you wanted to, but the best thing to do, just remove it the best you can.
Check that out. Check it out. Oh yeah. Brown sugar smoked ribs. My wife just tried them. It's all over with, and she said it's one of the best ribs I've made.